Hello. It is me. Only probably two of you are going to get this reference, including Mr. Maraska. But Zach the Loverman is returning. It is raining out currently, and tomorrow it is going to be raining out all day. First rain of 2018. Yeah. Nothing full-on heat wave. I just love the smell and the feel of rain. That's not weird, right? Liking rain? Like, there's a million other things that are a hell of a lot weirder than liking rain. And it's so weird. Because, like, I can see the patches of snow. So it's gonna be sleety and icy, but y'all smelled rain before. You know that like weird kind of nice smell you get when you smell rain? It's pretty good. I'm gonna entitle this video Rain. I gotta make a nice like 10-minute long video of the rain tomorrow. Maybe like tomorrow, maybe Wednesday if it's still raining. Whenever it's raining the most heaviest. Probably in the morning. I'm just gonna call this Rain. See y'all. Yeah, I get it. So good night. Add me on Snapchat, Lil Zacko, with an H at the end. For more of my silly antics.